Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on or turn off role manage server on your account on Discord. Easy and quick. First click here, and now click settings, now click roles, now click here, and now click permissions. Here as you see you will find manage server. Click on it like this and click save, and it will be saved. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.